Second technique of the Mediterranean cuisine, stir-fried. In Catalan it's called sanfaina. In Spanish, sofrito. In English, stir-fried. And in other languages, pues... So it consists of garlic, onion, and 3 different vegetables of the season. In my case, that we're in summer, in my case, that we're in summer, we have peppers, the 2 colors, red and green. We have zucchini, and we have this thing that I don't know how is it called. Also, olive oil, the star of the cuisine, the tomato sauce, and the spices or species to condiment everything. And we have oregano also. Okay, with this we are going to do a stir fry. Let's go! Everything cut because this is YouTube and yeah, I did it in only, well, me it was like 10 or 15 minutes, but this is YouTube and 2 seconds, no? Here, everything cut. Bellissimo. Important! You need to try to cut the things with the same size because once you put them inside the cup to do the stir fry, they will cook all together uniformly. 1 finger of olive oil. Only 1 finger, I mean... more or less this level of olive oil, okay? Venga. Let's start doing the DJ. Whoa! We want to put low fire at 2. Okay? Because we will put all inside and with 1 hour or so everything will be done. But in low fire. The low fire is important. I don't want the vegetables to be burned. No! Okay, all the vegetables inside. And that's it. As we have set the fire in a low position, the vegetables will not burn. This means that now we have 1 hour free. We can go for a run maybe. No, I am too lazy, I'm going to... So the time has passed and all the vegetables are like cooked. The next step is to put the tomato sauce. Tomato sauce, fuck yeah. Toma, ayude. Dale. Species. Oregano. One glass of wine. 1 little spoon of pimentón, it's called. It's like an spicy spice. A spicy spice! And you let it like this 20 minutes to evaporate the alcohol of the wine. So yeah, the wine is evaporating, so let's put a little bit of salt. So the stir fryer actually can be used for several dishes. You can use it in the paella, you can use it for meat, for fish, and also you can use it for stews, like with lentils or with meat. So in my case, I will add the sanfaina, the sofrito, to my dinner that it is red meat. It is the result.